Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I'm excited because I'm going to make some cheeseburger egg rolls. So let's check out the ingredients. So for this recipe, I have 1 pound of egg roll wrappers, and you can use any egg roll wrappers of your choice. I have 1 pound of ground beef. You can use any brand of your choice. You can also use ground chicken or ground turkey. Some Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning, which is one of my favorite seasoning. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some grated cheese. I'm using a lactose-free cheese, but you can use any grated cheese of your choice. About a quarter piece of mixed bell pepper, finely chopped. I have some chopped garlic. A little over a quarter piece of onion, chopped. I'm preheating about half a teaspoon of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding my ground beef. Let me know in the comments below which one do you prefer, ground beef, ground chicken, or ground turkey, or all three. I'm allowing my ground beef to cook on medium heat while stirring it occasionally until it is no longer pink. I'm also breaking the meat apart at the same time. Next, I'm adding some Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning and I'm sprinkling it lightly. I'm covering the ground beef with some onion powder. I'm doing the same with some garlic powder. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had cheeseburger egg roll. So it is almost ready. We still have a few more pink pieces. I'm mixing in my chopped bell peppers and onion. I'm also adding my chopped garlic. If only y'all could smell it. It smells so good in here. As you can see, this meat has produced a lot of oil, so I will have to drain some of that oil. Now, if you use ground chicken or ground turkey, you would not get that much oil, or any at all. So I'm going to use my colander to drain the majority of that oil before using it. And I'm using my flat spatula to squeeze out some of that oil. So I'm ready. I have my cheese in a bowl and my ground beef in another bowl. First thing I did was lay my wrap in a diagonal position, and I'm adding the meat to the center of my wrap. And I'm trying not to add too much meat so that I don't have a hard time closing the wrap. I'm covering the ground beef with some cheese, and you could put as much cheese as you want, just enough to cover the meat. I'm going to fold the wrap in an envelope shape, then roll it, and I'm making sure to tuck in my corners. They ran out of the brand of egg roll wraps that I usually buy, so I've never used this brand, but it has a lot of cornstarch on it. I usually moisten the little flap of the egg roll wrap with a very small amount of water on the tip of my finger. If you use the egg roll wraps, let me know what brand do you use. So I'm going to continue wrapping until I've used all the meat. So for this one, I'm going to make it different. I'm going to make it exactly like the cheeseburger without the lettuce and the tomato. I'm going to add a few slices of pickle in this one. So I'm just experimenting this one. Hopefully it comes out real good. So I was able to make 8 cheeseburger egg rolls with 1 pound of ground beef. So first I tried to make the cheeseburger egg roll in my air fryer, and that was a complete fail. But I was happy that I only tried one instead of all 8. I had my doubts when I saw all that cornstarch on it. So I moved on to my deep fryer, which turned out perfect. And I did them 3 at a time, and it should take less than a minute since everything is cooked inside. They came out so good, y'all. Man, they were amazing, and it tastes just like cheeseburger, especially the one that I added the 2 pickles in it. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this cheeseburger egg roll video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye, y'all.